How to get glowing skin at home. One of the most important aspects of a person's beauty is their skin. Healthy skin also makes you feel more attractive. The health of your skin is mostly determined by your skincare routine and lifestyle behaviors. Stress, lack of sleep, poor diet, pollution, damage from the sun's UV radiation, heavy smoking, and drinking alcohol are some of the primary variables that affect the quality and texture of your skin. Dozens of skin and cosmetic products on the market promise clean, bright skin. Instead of relying on commercial products, you may enhance your skin's general health and look with some basic and straightforward home treatments. 1. Lemon. Lemon is one of the most effective substances for promoting clean skin. Lemon's citric acid helps to keep skin clean, while its vitamin C concentration aids to decrease dark spots. Apply lemon juice straight from the bottle to your entire face and neck. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. After that, use cucumber slices to soften and hydrate your skin. Do this on a daily or weekly basis. 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera offers several skin advantages. It possesses antibacterial characteristics that aid in the killing of acne-causing germs, as well as soothing inflamed skin and healing scars. It's also an excellent natural moisturizer. An aloe vera leaf is used to extract the gel. Using a cotton ball, apply the gel to your face. Allow it to air dry for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off with mild water. 3. Cucumber. Cucumbers have moisturizing, nourishing, and astringent characteristics, all of which are beneficial to the skin. They can brighten your skin and give it a more youthful appearance. Cut a cucumber into thick slices and thoroughly massage them all over your face. Leave it on overnight and then rinse it off in the morning with warm water. Do this every night before you go to bed. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric is an antibacterial and skin-lightening ingredient that helps to reduce scars and other markings on the skin. Mix equal parts turmeric powder and gram flour with a little water or milk to make a paste. It should be applied evenly to your skin and left on until it dries. Scrub your skin gently in a circular motion with lukewarm water to remove it. Once a week, use this solution to lighten your skin tone and eliminate scars. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda helps to maintain the skin's pH balance, which is essential for clean skin. It also aids in the treatment of acne, pimples, and spots. It also serves as a fantastic exfoliant. To form a paste, combine 1 teaspoon baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water or lemon juice. Cleanse your face and gently exfoliate it with the paste. 6. Mint. Menthol, the major element in mint, offers cooling and relaxing effects that assist to keep skin healthy and radiant. It also has excellent healing capabilities that aid in the treatment of skin infections. In a dish, combine 1 teaspoon mint powder, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, and 1 tablespoon Fuller's Earth. Allow for a half-hour rest before stirring to form a smooth paste. Mix the ingredients and apply to your face and neck. Leave it on for as long as it takes to dry naturally. Follow these tips and use the home remedies of your choice often, so you can see the results. What other home remedies for your glowing skin do you know? Share them with us in the comments section below. Click the link in the description below to discover 30-second solution to enjoy noticeably younger looking skin. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Don't go yet. Look at your screen. We have handpicked 2 videos for you to watch. See you in our next video. Stay healthy.